Hello everyone, this is KinCony IoT. This lessons I will tell you how to let your motor or like your curtain become smart. So this is lesson 3. Smart motor solution. Okay. Also, we will like the motors type. I think maybe you will have the curtain like this. This is a motor. This is a track. This is a motor. And the close maybe only one. So this curtain will be turn left and turn right at these two directions. This is a motor. And maybe you will have a curtain like this, also have a track. Then you will have two clothes. And this clothes will be turn left or turn right. Just this cut, the clothes is to this one direction, just like this. And this will have two clothes. Just the clothes will open and close, open and close. And this one is only one that's open and close, open and close. Okay. The third is the motor. Now the motor is like this, and like the curtain is up and down. So this is the cut will be up and down, just like the blink or the project or the cut. So we'll have this 3 type. Just so we can see the motor is A. The motor is A. This is also is A, and this is B. So these two kinds use same motor. And this motor is different. This motor is like this operation, and this motor is installed like this operation. And the track, these two track need to custom design it according to the length, because every window will have different length of the track. So you need to confirm the track of the length, just like this length. And also this length. So need to custom design the track install on the motor. This is the mechanic of the motor and the cut. This is curtain 1, and this is curtain 2. And this is curtain 3. Or maybe your garage. Maybe your garage or projector. Projector also like this type. Okay, let's look at the diagram. If you have a motor, this is a motor. Just this motor. Always will have 3 lines. This is COM. And this is F. F means forward direction. And this means R. This R means reverse. So we can give these 2 lines the power. If we give the F and COM, give this AC 220 voltage, AC. So the motor will be running at these directions. This is give the power of 2 lines, and the motor will be running at this direction. And if we let this R and the COM have the power, so the direction will be changed, will be this operation. This direction is just will this reverse, and this is forward, and this is reverse. So this is two directions just give the power for F point or I point. And the third, the F and the R, if all have connected the COM, the motor will stop. This is not to become this situation. This is wrong. Can't give the power at this and this point, because this is dangerous. Some motor will have a protect circuit. If have the protect circuit inside of the motor, so you give this 2 point the power, the motor will be not stopped and no problem. But some motor without the protect circuit, maybe the motor will be hot and will become bad, and also it can't run, just stop, but will be have some voice and will become hot. So not to do this step. Be careful. And if some motor have a remote, maybe we'll have a remote. This kind of button you can up and down and stop. So usually the motor will have a receive board, PCB board. This is receive PCB board. If have this function, the PCB board also need with L and N for the power. This L and N is supply the power for the wireless receive module for the motor. So this type of motor will totally have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lanes. This 5 lanes is widely used, and sometimes just have this 3 line. This is must need to change the directions. Okay, let's look at how to control the motor by the relay controller. And for the menu control, we can draw a diagram. This is the relay controller. And this will be like relay 1 and relay 2. We can write this is relay 1 and this is relay 2. Now I have a motor. This is motor. This motor may be your curtain, or maybe your garage, or maybe your project. Then I can connect the line. This is for the L line. And this is also for the L line. And this output may be connected with this. This is F. And this is R. And we can see another is COM. So the COM, just like this. This is neutral line, leave line, neutral line, and go to relay 1 and go to relay 2. So we use 2 relay to control 1 motor for changing directions. Because when the relay, you can see when the relay is on, this forward, that means R1 is on, and R2, relay 2 is off. So the L will go through this point and go through the motor and go back to the neutral. This will forward running, just this direction running. And if you want to reverse, just let the I1, relay 1 is off, and the relay 2 is on. Just change the directions. So this time, the L will go to this way and go to R2, and back to the motor and back to the neutral line. So this is how to control the motor for reverse. Just this time, with these directions for running. So this is by the controller to control the motor. And if we want to use a switch panel to control the motor directions, you just add a switch terminal board. This is switch terminal board. So you can, for example, one motor, you will see the K1 and the K2. And maybe there will be many K output. We just take an example. This is KCON. How to control one motor. This is a switch panel. This is 2 button, like this is 2 button. K1 is for up, and the K2 is for down, and this is KCON. This is up, and this is down. So when I press the K1, the relay will be relay 1 on and relay 2 off. So I press the K2, the relay 2, the 2 relay will be like this situation. This is set the switch terminal board for the motor work mode. The switch terminal board will have 2 work modes. One is for lamp. The 2 is second is to motor. When you set for the lamp, so the relay is every button control 1 relay. When set for the motor mode, work mode, so every button will be controlling 2 relay together. So this is the work mode for the curtain. And if you change the work mode to the motor, so all relays and all key buttons will change every 2 relay. Just like K1 is for relay 1 and the relay 2. And the K2, K3, K2 is for the, also is for this, just to change the directions. K3 is R3 and R4. Relay 3 and relay 4. So just until the K32. That is for relay 31 and 32. Relay 32. So this is how to use the button to control every relay. So if you want to control the lamp and want to control the curtain, you need to use 2 independent relay controller and the switch terminal board. This is all the board, all relay controller for the motor. And you can use another relay controller and the switch board for the lamp. Just use independently. And if you use the all on and all off, because the switch terminal board for the all on and all off. So this time, when you press all on, all motors have connected the relay controller will be on, and the all off, every 2 relay will be off. Just you can control all motors is up and all motors is down by 1 button. You can just control all motors have connected with the controller. So this is how to use the manual control switch panel to control the relay and for the motor. So this is smart solution for your motor. Maybe you have used for carton and garage and project. And maybe also you will use for industry motor, a big motor, just add a AC contact. But the principle is same, just like this. You can change the direction, for yourself by the mobile phone or by your PC software. Okay, thanks for watching.